the beaches, all the beaches are closed. Special efforts made to
Yay!
help
Bravo,
us temper
Sarah.
the
Encore?
especially on our leeward coast, people who
Yeah.
might not have a place to go, to make sure that they at least headed towards shelter, at least headed to higher ground. Once again, unable to tell whether there is any
Yay!
activity, whether the water is receding there in Hilo or coming ashore in a strong way. We are keeping our eyes open, trying to see what
Okay.
happens.